Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the new kinds of problems, that is combined problems based on UV, IR and PMR spectroscopy. In last lecture we have studied the problems related to only NMR spectroscopy, but in today's problems we are going to stress on also UV and IR spectroscopy. So let us start the problem. First problem is given to you, that is molecular formula for given organic compound is C5H10O. The IR frequency is at 1715 centimeter inverse and PMR data, that is chemical shift values, are given to you, that is 1.0 triplet 6H and second 2.4 quartet 4H. Now in order to solve the problems, first you have to keep attention on your IR frequencies. What is the IR frequencies given to you? That is IR frequency of functional groups. Already IR spectroscopy is deals with the study of functional groups in respective frequencies, which are denoted in centimeter inverse. In given formula, as IR frequency, IR absorption peak or frequency at 1715 centimeter inverse suggests that what is presence of ketonic group. Which group? Ketonic group. Now what is the range for this ketonic group? That is 1618 to 1780 centimeter. This is the actual range for the carbonyl compounds, in which it may exist as a carboxylic group, ester group, aldehyde group and ketonic group. General range given to you. And specific for carbonyl group, that is equal to 1700 to 1720 centimeter. Our peak is at, or the frequency is at the 1715 centimeter. Use the presence of the this group, function group, that is the CO functional group, that is the ketonic group. Now what is about PMR data? Already I have stated to you, that is the method of representative PMR data is as follows. See here, first you have to write the delta values. Second, you have to write peak pattern. Then number of protons, and last is assignment. Now, first delta value appears at 1.0. What is the peak pattern given to you? That is the triplet. And we have given the triplet, therefore the adjacent number of protons attached to carbon atoms are equal to how much? Tell me. 2. Okay. And we are given the protons are equal to, number of protons is equal to 6H. According to the last lecture, this 6 is a table of a 3. Therefore, here presence of how many alkyl groups or methyl groups? That is 2 methyl groups. Okay. Therefore, due to this triplet, you have the assignment that is presence of adjacent group, that is CH2, which is lies in between which, that is CH3 and CH3. Understand all of you? Again, I am repeating this. Already you have given the delta value or the chemical shift value is 1.0. That is, it is present at the upper field. Okay. And peak pattern is given to you. That is a triplet. When triplet is occurs, it is when the carbon atoms, very hydrogen atoms, which is attached to adjacent carbon atoms having the protons equal to 2, and according to the formula, that is capital N is equal to small n plus 1, we get the triplet. but we are given number of protons equal to 6H. According to table of 3, 6H means presence of 2 alkyl groups. Okay, therefore we can write here 2 alkyl groups. Now what is the nature of triplet? When the adjacent carbon atoms bears the 2 hydrogen atoms, it gets the triplet. Okay, now second point, that is 2.4 values, that is the CS values. What is the peak pattern? Quartet. Quartet. Okay. How many protons are given to you? That is 4H. Now what is the assignment? Just think in 1 minute and tell me the answer. What is the answer? See, number of protons is equal to 4. What is the answer from y side? 4 आहे म्हटल्यावर त्याचा आन्सर इथे काय दिलेला आहे? क्वार्टेट आहे. क्वार्टेट आहे किंवा काय आहे इथे असणार? 4 आहे 4 म्हणजे काय होणार आहे? CH2 बरोबर आहे? आहे झाले असणार आहे. हे पण कुणाला आहे असणार आहे? CH2. म्हणजे इथे क्वार्टेट आहे ना, म्हटल्यावर काय येणार आहे? CH3 आणि CH2. ओके, लक्षात आलं प्रत्येकाच्या? क्वार्टेट म्हणजे ऍडजस्टंट नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, शेजारचे प्रोटॉन्स का किती असणार आहे? असणार आहे हे CH2 किती असणार आहे? 2 टाइम्स. सॉरी, CH2 2 टाइम्स असणार आहे. CH2 2 टाइम्स. ओके, दिस इज द क्वार्टेट वन. नो CH2. ओके, बरोबर आहे. CH2 दिस इज करेक्ट. त्याला असणार आणि इथे काय असणार आहे? CH3. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द assignment. Now what is the next criteria is given to you? That is here the presence of one oxygen atom. But for the one oxygen atom, is there is the presence of any kind of frequency in UV, IR? No. Therefore, according to this assignment, you have to suggest the structure, and that structure fulfills the given data as in the assignment. The structure is somewhat symmetrical according to our observation. Therefore, the according to formula, you can suggest the structure. Therefore, required structure will be, what will be the structure? First is CH3, okay, CH3 twice CH2, okay, and then how many? CH3 twice CH2, okay, and here CH3. Okay, how many carbon atoms are there here? 2 plus 3, 4, and here 5. Okay, this is not a correct structure because we cannot introduce the oxygen atom here. Therefore, if we introduce in between the oxygen as a divalent one, and here we have to suggest the structure as CH2, CH3. Okay, at that time, what is the structure of this? According to the our assignment, first one is triplet. Okay, therefore this is to be a correct one. Okay, now what is divalent oxygen is present in between. Second assignment is that is the quartet. Okay, which that is of CH2 groups of 4 times. Therefore, we can suggest here 1, 2, 3 CH2, CH3, here CH2 and CH3 quartet to you. Okay, therefore the total of this is C5, 2, 3, 4, 5 for oxygen atom. 3 plus 6, 6 plus 8, 8 plus, this is somewhat a long structure. Therefore, we can suggest here as CH3, CH2 5 CH2 CH2 1 2 3 4 अरे लक्षात घ्या आता चुकलं बघा सिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर आपण CO ग्रुप घेतलेला असता येतो लक्षात आलं का हे चुकलं आपलं असतं म्हणजे आपलं करेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर कसं येणार आहे लक्षात येणार द्या CH3 CH2 ओके देन इन बिटवीन द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप बट तुम्हाला त्यांच्यावर मला सिमेट्रिकल आल्यावर CH2 आणि CH2 therefore this is the required structure ओके बघूया बरोबर आहे का C5 किती आले असणार 1 2 3 4 आणि 5 C5 हे 5 ते 5 10 बरोबर आहे C5H10 ओके this is the correct structure okay now second part of this is डबल लक्षात आले सर्वांच्या आले ना दुसरं स्ट्रक्चर दाखवते बघा आता काय सांगितलं आहे मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला given to you C7H8O ion frequency at 3620 as ion frequency is in the range of 3300 to 3640 equals the presence of a OH group and that OH group is of two categories. Which are the two categories? Either OH group is free OH or it is a bonded OH. But this category confirms the OH is a free OH. Okay, that is as ion absorption is at 3620 centimeter inverse suggests that presence of bracket 3 OH group which can be confirmed by taking PMR data. What is the PMR data? First is delta values, peak pattern. Okay. Then what is this number of protons? Okay. And last is about assignment. This is a simple one. What is the first one? 3.6 peak pattern singlet. Okay, number of protons 1H. Second is 7.3 singlet and 5H. Now then the assignment 7.3 already in yesterday's lecture I have given to you. Then the value of delta is between 6 to 8 and due to 5 protons there is the presence of 2 things. That is the female ring. Okay, presence of female ring. As it takes a singlet, therefore the adjacent carbon atom is a only one carbon atom. Okay, now the value is at 3.6. Okay, that is on upper field due to number of 1 protons. As 1 proton is there, therefore already we have studied here the frequency of IR is equal to 3620 centimeter inverse, and due to 1 proton, that is the presence of COH group. Means what? As we get the singlet in upper field due to 1 proton. 1 proton होता का singlet में तो कसा असणार आहे असणारा हा टर्मिनल पोझिशनला OH असणार. तो OH आयदर कुठला असणार आहे असणारा आयदर हा असणार कुठला टर्मिनल आहे म्हणजे डायरेक्ट कुठला सांगता आपल्याला प्रायमरी अल्कोहलचा असणार. सेकंडरीचा कुठला असतो मध्ये असतो. टर्शरीचा असतो कडेला असतो. कुठला आहे ते आपण जाणून बघूया असणार. Therefore the required structure is required structure we can tell असणार. Therefore required structure will be काय सांगा बघूया असणार. तर पहिला तो OH ग्रुप लक्षात ठेवायचा. मग त्याला झालं OH झाला. फॉर्म्युला काय आहे C7H8O. म्हणजे पहिले आपले 6 तरी झाले असणार. ओके केंद्रबिंदू झाली म्हणजे काय झालं C6H5 झालं सिंपल वे बघा C7H8O याच्यामध्ये किती गेले आपले C6H5 कॅन्सल झाले म्हटल्यावर हे काय झालं असणार याला काय असणार आहे H3 राहिले O राहिले आणि काय झालं असणार CH3 झालं आता याच्यात पण मी OH काढणार असणार तर सिम्पली यू कॅन गेट द आन्सर ओके सिंपल OH काढणार म्हटल्यावर काय राहिलं तुमचं असणार CH2 राहिलं आता CH2 पण आणि OH that is what is the presence of the group that is CH2 simply हे ट्रिक आहे असं हे तुम्हाला हळूहळू समजतं असं CH2OH ओके आता असं काय होतं असणार इथं असणार ह्याच्यामुळे आता असणार या असणार त्यामध्ये काय असणार इथं तुमचं असणार अटॅचमेंट झाली असणार CH2OH फिनिल ग्रुप ड्यू टू फायनल 1OH तुमचा दाखवलेला आहे का हा 1OH ओके आलं लक्षात असणार त्यानुसार आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट दिस कॅन बी करेक्ट ऑर नॉट यू कॅन कन्फर्म इट बाय युजिंग दिस डेटा C7H8O होते का बघा हे कसं होणार आहे असणार C6H5 म्हणजे किती आले असणार आहे C6H5 हा किती आला C7 झाला C7 झालेला आहे असणार काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे त्यानंतर पहिल्यांदा H8 हे 5 हे 3 ओके हे पण H8 झाले असणार आहे नेक्स्ट किती आला ओके दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर काय दिलेला आहे ओके बरोबर लक्षात आलं असणार राईट व्हिडिओ स्टॉप नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम दॅट इज थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम इन थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम the data is given to you molecular formula C4H8O ion frequency is same that is 1750 centimeter inverse and chemical system value in delta ppm as 1.07 triplet 3H 1.12 singlet 3H and 2.52 format 2H okay already I have studied that is ion absorption at 1750 centimeter inverse suggests that presence of CO group in the structure. Now we can take considering PMR data. PMR data as first is delta value, then peak pattern. Okay, number of protons and assignment. Now, first data value is 1.07. Okay, peak pattern is about triplet given to you. Due to what? Which protons? That is with protons. Therefore, assignment is what? VH. Triplet. What is the assignment? That is presence of CH3 dash how many protons? I can write here. Here triplet CH2. Correct. Second, 1.12 singlet. Okay, 3H. 3H दिलेला आहे 1.12 दिलेला आहे. That is the protons are shielded one here also. Therefore, 3H means CH3. What is C? Singlet है ना CH3C. Okay. Now, third assignment 2.5. Okay. Quartet. Due to which that is 2H. Then we get the quartet that is adjacent carbon having how many protons? 3 protons. Okay. Therefore CH2 dash CH2. Now just look out this first and third assignment is that it is somewhat similar. Only interchange of the carbon atoms with a carbon atom 1 and 2. Okay. Now from this data and this carbonyl group we can suggest the structure as simply here this structure is also a similar one structure. Okay. Now which kind of similar one? Number of carbon atoms we require equal to 4. Already here 1 and 3 assignments are somewhat similar. Okay. And here CH3C. Therefore just count number of carbon atoms. Not a 5 you have to count the number of atoms as a 4. That is given to you, that is 4. Now here 1.07 and 1.12, which is more upper shielded or more shielded? This is more shielded. This is a more shielded proton. Okay, this is a less shielded. In comparison with this, this is a less shielded than comparison with this. Therefore, we can write here as, therefore required structure will be what is the required structure? First we have to consider this CH3, okay, then CH2, okay, triplet is there, okay, then singlet, okay, you have to in between CO, okay, yeah, then singlet. Which of singlet? That is of CH3 is of singlet. C is attached to here. Okay, and here how many groups are here? There are 4. CH3 due to 2 CH3CO. CH3CO. triplet CH3. Okay. Now, the structure will be the correct one? No. Because when we consider these 2 hydrogen atoms, CH2, CH3, okay, CH2, CH3, here. आपण ते जातोय बरोबर आहे. या दोन्ही ऑक्सिजन काय असणार आहे CO इथे होतंय करेक्ट. Number of carbon घेऊया C4. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. Hydrogen atoms are 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Therefore, this is the correct. Okay. Now, in this way, you can check your structure by using the data. Now, KULKARNI data is given to you in second structure as here. We are going to solve this problem in similar way of question number 2. Again, I am just taking this problem component. Okay. Now, in this problem, what is the molecular formula? That is C3H5ON. Here, 2 heteroatoms are present. Okay, that is oxygen and nitrogen. And we are given that is the higher frequency of a functional group. That is equal to what? That is 2250 centimeter inverse. Now, respect of these kinds of the KULKARNI data, you can write this higher frequency at 2250 centimeter inverse. Just think of over on this frequency and tell me the answer in last. So first we will consider the KULKARNI data as first is delta value, then peak pattern, number of protons, and then assignment. Okay, first one 3.49. Okay, peak pattern is what? Singlet. Due to 3 protons. Singlet 3 protons means what? CH3. Okay. Now 4.22. This is the round fender side. Singlet 2H means what? Singlet is present. Therefore CH2. Okay. Now this is the assignment due to the PMR data. Now what is about this? That is C3H5O and N. You have to suggest the oxygen in between the structures. Now if we can denote this valent oxygen in between the 2 carbon atoms, the higher frequency that is equal to of a functional group, that is C triple bond N. C triple bond N की frequency लिया है इसमें. Okay, that is as IR data shows frequency at 2050 centimeter inverse suggests presence of which group? C triple bond N. Okay. Now C triple bond N सांगितलं. आता तुम्ही डेटा करा आणि मध्ये ऑक्सिजन घाला. बघूया काय येते रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर. रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर विल बी काय काय तुम्ही सांगा मला असं. काय काय करायचं आहे. CH3 घ्यायचे आहे. ओके. C घ्यायचे आहे. ओके. त्यानंतर काय घ्यायचं आपल्याला असं मध्ये O घ्यायचा आहे. नंतर काय घ्यायचं आहे. CH2 घ्यायचा आहे. ओके. आणि मग काय घ्यायचं आहे. CN घ्यायचं आहे. म्हणजे आपण किती कार्बन ॲटम बघा भरपूर वाढत असणार आहे. आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे. एका वेळी आपल्याला 3 कार्बन ॲटम लिहून ठेवायला पाहिजे. तिसरा कार्बनच्या वेळेला काय लिहून ठेवायला पाहिजे. CN लिहून ठेवायला पाहिजे. ओके. आता आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे. असं इंट्रोड्यूस करायला पाहिजे. कोण करायला पाहिजे. बघूया आपण. C CH3 CCH. आता CCH2 त्यात 1 2 आणि 3 झालेला CN CH2 घेतला O घेतला. ओके. CH2 CN घेतला असणार. OCH2 CN घेतला होता. CH3 CH3 झाला असणार. OCH2 CH3 CH5 CN. ओके. अशी असणारी CCH3 O झाले. हा होत नाही सारा. एक आता दुसरा घेतला बघूया. CCH3 आणि CH2 CN. आज बघा C O घेतला असणार. 1 2 3 4 झाला. OCH2 पाहिजे मला. CH3 OCH2 आता करेक्ट आन्सर किती वाट असणार आपण बघूया. चौथं काय आहे असणार. CH2 बरोबर आहे बघा. तेच बरोबर आहे. CH3 OCH2 then C triple bond N. आता पुन्हा आपण चेकआउट करूया. CCH3 हे बघा. CCH3 असणार. CCH2 ओके. हा CCH2. ओके. आला लक्षात. म्हणजे लिहिताना आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर काय येणार आहे. लिहिताना आपण लिहिणार आहे CH3 सिम्प्लिफाईड फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं. म्हणजे लक्षात येईल आपल्याला O. ओके. CH2 म्हणजे चांगलं लक्षात येईल. C triple bond N. ओके. This is the correct required structure. Okay. Right.